Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the project folder and opening it in Atom so file navigation is immediate. Install core packages like Emmet and an HTML preview. These speed up typing and quick checks. Once done, make a new file named index.html and confirm the grammar is HTML. Save immediately to the project folder so path-dependent features work. Use the tree view to verify file placement. This first step ensures your editor is ready, your workspace is organized, and the HTML file is live for edits. You now scaffold and edit with speed. Type an Emmet abbreviation like exclamation and expand to generate boilerplate. This saves minutes. Once you have content, split panes to compare files or styles side by side and enable auto-close tags to reduce mistakes. Save frequently and use the bundled HTML preview or open the file in a browser to validate layout and console messages. Make sure to toggle soft wrap for long lines and use find/replace when refactoring repeated elements. You finish by linting and testing. Run an HTML linter package to catch syntax issues, then open developer tools to inspect DOM and console errors when things render oddly. Once satisfied, save and commit files or export for deployment. If a preview or package stops working, restart Atom and reopen the project folder. Often a cache or package reload resolves it. If problems persist, disable recently added packages one by one to isolate conflicts, then re-enable stable extensions and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.